Let's talk about our face-to-face advanced workshops. Well, our support does not end after the course has ended. We will provide extra support to our colleagues who have attended our full hybrid courses previously by running face-to-face advanced workshop classes in the Academy. Each set of workshops will run for 5 days. We will run these workshops almost twice a month, and like I said, they will be held in the Academy in person. During these workshops, we will role play different type scenarios together based on the PLAB 2 exam timing of 8 minutes for each station. I will be covering history-based and counseling-based type scenario in medicine, surgery, pediatrics, OBG, various challenging ethical and psychiatric type scenarios, as well as different SIMMAN scenarios. After each performance, I will review the subject you have been taught during the course previously. I will also provide detailed feedback covering all the aspects of your performance, including data gathering, management plan, and interpersonal skills. In this way, you can implement the knowledge, tools, skills, and techniques you have learned during your hybrid course. Attending these face-to-face workshop classes will be at no extra cost for those who have attended our courses previously. As you know, the PLAB 2 exam has become more challenging and competitive these days. We believe nowadays the candidates on average need around 12 weeks of preparation after the completion of their full course. By attending your full course in a hybrid format, you can attend the first 12 days of your course for non-practical subjects remotely from your own home at least 3 to 4 months prior to your exam. These 12 days will be held in an interactive online format from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Like I said, during these 12 days, I will cover all the aspects of non-practical subjects, and we will have role play sessions for at least 6 hours daily. In this way, you do not need to be in the Academy 3 to 4 months before the exam. You can save your money, and of course, you can start your preparation well before your exam from your home. Closer to your exam, we advise at least 4 weeks before your exam, you can come to the Academy to attend your mannequin examination and supervised SIMMAN classes, as well as practicing in the Academy, taking your 5 days workshops and mocks. You can practice in the Academy on a daily basis from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., including weekends and bank holidays. We have a very spacious venue, so you can come to the Academy to study and practice on mannequin stations, examination stations, as well as role play practice with your colleagues. Like I said, during the time you are in the Academy, you can attend your desired 5-day workshops. You will then have your 2 full in-person mocks closer to your exam. I advise all our candidates to attend our 5-day workshop for an extra boost, as we are going to review the important subjects you learned during your hybrid course. Work on your time management by practicing scenarios within 8 minutes. Expose yourself to challenging situations, learn the final tricks and twists, and go to the exam with full confidence and pass the exam on the first attempt with flying colors. Let me quickly review Common Stations PLAB Academy's educational package. Our educational package has 6 steps. Number 1, study materials. Number 2, short introductory online course. Number 3, long full course which covers all aspects of the exam, including non-practical subjects as well as examination, mannequin and simman classes. Number 4, unlimited practice facilities in the academy. Number 5, 5-day face-to-face advanced workshop classes. Number 6, 2 full in-person mocks with individual feedback. I have been training overseas doctors for many years, and I know how to train you very well for your PLAB 2 exam. I almost take all classes by myself in my academy. I am absolutely against memorizing the scripts, and I won't teach you to memorize the scripts. Instead, I teach you the right structure to be able to manage any case during your exam as well as real life. Let me tell you in this way, I don't give you a fish. Instead, I will teach you how to fish. I wish you best of luck with your PLAB journey and hope to see you soon at Common Station's PLAB Academy.